lingerie lovers, it's Satara, aka FullerBustBestie, here to show you how to fasten a Playful promises corset. I will also be sharing how to unfasten, how to store it, and how to take care of it. Ready-to-wear corsets are usually sized in waist inches. In order to achieve the hourglass look, you should size down 4 inches. For example, if you have a 30-inch waist, a 26 waist corset will be the perfect size for you. When your corset first arrives, it'll most likely be tightened up tightly. First thing you need to do is loosen it up as much as possible. The reason for this is so that you don't put any pressure on the bust and potentially damage the corset. And it also makes it much easier to fasten up. Once you can comfortably close the bust and you're happy that it's straight, make sure that the modesty panel at the back is straight and not bunched up. Now you can begin by tightening the corset by tugging at the laces at the back. Pulling the crosses on the top will help create slack so that you could tug on the bunny laces in the center to tighten it. This could take a while, so be patient with it. Work from the top to the center, then the bottom to the center, all while checking that the modesty panel is flat. When you're happy and comfortable with the fit, tie the strings into a bow. So you're ready to take your corset off. It's tempting to just undo the bust at the front, but that is a big no-no. If you want your corset to last and not be damaged, you should do it the proper way. So before taking it off, make sure to loosen the laces as much as possible. You can store the corset in a dust bag or even a pillowcase to protect it. Just make sure that there's nothing pressing on the boning. It's not advised to wash your corset unless it's by an experienced dry cleaner. When you first wear your corset, it's great to break it in by starting with just 60 to 90 minute intervals. And that's how to wear and look after your corset. If you have any other lingerie questions, be sure to pop them in the comments.